Hi, I'm Keith at Amina Technologies, and here we're going to be looking at the series of ELF subs. The ELF subs, Amina low frequency, are discrete subs. They are not completely 100% invisible. They will have actually a slot in the front to vent into the room, so you get that nice deep rolling bass, staccato. You get excellent performance out of this. And they come in two different form factors so that you can actually have it for the right application. If you want to put something underneath, let's say cabinetry underneath the kick plate, you want to put something in wall, in a cavity, then we have the ELF 100 CV. And the CV is for cavity mount. Comes with its own hardware. It's got brackets. The brackets are created specifically so that you can hang them off a suspension point, like with rods, or screw them into the studs, and then the speaker literally hangs through this bracket off of the stud. It can also sit on the floor, or it can hang off cabinetry. So really, depending on where you put this bracket, the sub can be suspended, and it is then isolated from the rest of the structure and literally just vents into the room. You can create your own vent with that. It comes with all kinds of neoprene type of tape and little pads so that you don't get the vibration traveling anywhere else but in the air to get a really good sub response. The second form factor is the SM. SM stands for service mount or stud mount. So with this sub, we actually go onto the studs, we screw onto the studs and replace a piece of drywall with our sub. The vent can be top vented, bottom vented. You can place it anywhere you like it. We've got a couple of videos to give you some ideas. If you want to go to www.aminasound.com, then you can go and see those videos and check out the product that we have to offer.